Every day in Australia, thousands of fridges experience just how cruel the world can be. Abandoned by their families, kicked to the curb, left to be rounded up by the council, and destroyed. But at the Bottle-O, we believe a fridge is for life, not just till a newer, cuter one comes along. So we've made it our mission to find them new, loving homes. Introducing the Fridge O-doption Program. Because you can teach an old fridge new tricks. And it's amazing what a little love and attention can do. So if you need your heart warmed and your beer cooled, register to O-dopt a fridge today.